Step 1, you gotta prime the lids. Here I'm using Guerlain's Smoothing and Blurring Effect Pore Refiner. You'll find that applying primer will not only make your eyeshadow last longer throughout the day, but the colors will pop out even more. Step 2, conceal. This is a hack I learned from a makeup artist on set. He says if you don't have primer, use concealer instead. My current obsession is the Revlon's Youth and Blur Concealer. I'm going to apply this all over the lid and use the warmth of my fingers to blend it in. Now we're ready for color. I'll be using the Marc Jacobs Iconic Fantasy Eyeshadow Palette along with these 3 BH Cosmetics brushes in number 6, 7, and 9. For my eye shape, I love using a natural color as a base, almost like skin color. Then I'll be using my number 7 brush and start applying the color in the middle of the eye. Taking my smallest brush, I'm going to work on the outer corners with the darkest color to create depth. And after that, to make the shadow pop, I'm going to apply a golden shimmer to the middle part of the lid. Step 4, eyeliner. I'll be giving this look a wing using Revlon's Color Stay Black Liquid Eyeliner. If you're new to applying liner, use tapping motions and hold the liner on its side instead of going straight with the tip and hoping for the best in one go. Break it down into parts to make it easier. Next up, the waterline. This part is essential if you don't want that space between your eyeball and eyeliner. So to help with this, I'll be using the Marc Jacobs black liner to line the upper waterline. To make it easier, lift your lid gently with your finger and fill it in. Step 6, mascara and lashes. I'll be using the Pixi by Petra Lash Lift. The brush head is super thin so it gets into those hard to reach areas. Next, I'll be putting on a pair of my favorite strip lashes. These are the Kiss Lash Couture Faux Mink ones in the style Gala. Then I'll secure them with my tweezers. Step 7, taking my liquid eyeliner again, I'm going to go over the tops of the lashes so the band doesn't show. I want them to look blended. Step 8, don't forget the bottom of the lashes. I'll be using the Urban Decay Glide On Eye Pencil in Double Life to round out this look. And finally, to finish this off, it's time to clean up. Taking my concealer again, I'm going to just apply a bit to the under eyes. This cleans up any follow and also brings the shadow to life. And now we're done. Well, kind of. I've got a surprise giveaway for you.